This is delish.
So let's begin by talking about the beef. This is ribeye. It's a little thick, want it to be. So what I'm going to do is take out wax paper. Just use any tool that I have in the house and smash it down. This is what I'm looking for. So I will set this aside and work on my marinade. I need 1/4 cup fish sauce, 1 spoon black pepper, and 2 spoons of sugar. I'll mix this up, fully dissolved. I only need half of this for the marinade and I'm gonna use the rest later. Make sure the beef is getting into contact with that sauce on all sides. We will set our beef aside for 10 minutes to marinate as we work on our salad. So we'll need onion and cucumber, lettuce, and spring onions, some cherry tomatoes, coriander, sweet peppers and chilies. We're also going to add more herbs, basil leaves. Just cut them into small size. My pan is on high heat, so I'm going to add 1 spoon of oil and add in my beef. I like that sizzle. I will leave it to cook for a few minutes until it's brown on the bottom side. My beef is brown on the bottom side, so I'm going to flip it and reduce the heat. I will flip my beef several times to make sure it's well cooked. So I'm going to get it off the pan and rest for a few more minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to extract some lime juice and add it up to the leftover marinade. I'm going to use it as my salad dressing. I will cut my beef into very thin slices and sprinkle all the salad dressing. We will mix this up one last time.
This is delish.
I love the chili. You can serve it with rice, but I'm gonna have mine as it is. Bon appetit.